Hello everyone, nandito tayo sa SMX at ngayon ay Conex Day 3. Today is April 20, 2024. Shoutout muna sa mga kaklase ko kay Rodrigo, then kay Lee at Joanna sa mag-asawa, then kay Desiree Baldicañas, then kay Ronaldo Caico, at kay Espago. Ayun, sa biyahe ko.
Flashback.
Hello everyone, at nandito tayo sa SMX at Day 3 ng Conex. Ayun, last day. Kasama natin si Ma'am Cathy.
Hello everyone!
Hello everyone, at nasa SMX tayo. Ayun, at Day 3 ng Conex. At kasama natin si Ma'am Carmen.
Hi!
Ayun, Ma'am. Hello everyone, at nasa SMX tayo at Day 3 ng Conex. Ayun, kasama natin si Ma'am Athena.
End of flashback.
Hello everyone, at nandito tayo sa SMX at Day 3 ng Conex at kasama natin si Ma'am Justine.
Hi! I'm Justine So, from Power Steel.
Yeah. Then Ma'am, ano po pala yung booth nyo ngayon, Ma'am, yung sa Power Steel?
Power Steel is the #1 steel supplier in the Philippines, wherein we offer steel products. Like for example, yung mga pang-structural like deform bars, sheet pile, GI pipes, clamp, and so on and so forth.
Yeah. Ma'am, regarding po pala dito, Ma'am, sa Ma'am, Conex is, kamusta naman po yung experience nyo from Day 1 to Day 3? Nandito po ba kayo ng 1 and 2?
Yes, sir. Nandito po kami from Day 1 to Day 3. Yun, sir, masaya, and then at the same time, magandang experience and exposure for me. Especially, I'm a marketing student.
Marketing student. So, what year po kayo, Ma'am?
I'm currently 4th year marketing student in PLB.
First time ko naka-encounter nito, guys, na, ayun nga, na OJT. Ayun. Kung lagi kayong updated sa aking mga vlog. Then, ayun, Ma'am, kamusta naman po yung pag-study at pag-OJT, Ma'am, so far, Ma'am?
Ngayon, sir, ang focus lang namin is puro OJT, sir. Tapos na po yung mga units namin. So, OJT na lang siya, sir. Tapos yun, sir, being a model and a student is, yun, sir, mahirap siya. Merong time na nag-add pa ako ng years kasi nagmo-modeling. I also do modeling. Pero, however, yun, magandang exposure sa sir.
Then, ayun, Ma'am, since when kayo nag-start mag-model, Ma'am?
I started when I was 17 years old. I'm grateful that I can do both.
Then, ayun, just in case na may makapanood na student din na gusto rin pumasok sa ganitong industry, mag-model, ayun, what do you suggest or parang advice para sa kanila, Ma'am?
I would suggest kung gusto niyo i-pursue yung mga ganitong industry, I would suggest na first, syempre, mag-aral muna. Maganda rin na magtapos muna ng pag-aaral. And after, later on, pwede na kayong gawin yung bagay na gusto niyo i-pursue. Kasi mahalaga pa rin na mag-aral. Study first. And the rest will follow.
Grabe. Pang beauty ka na.
And I thank you.
Pero Ma'am, nasali kayo sa mga beauty pageant or Ma'am?
Yes, I tried before once, pero hindi kasi ako matangkad eh. So, ayun, ang pinurso ko is TV commercial. Wherein doon, nakikita ko, mas fit ako kasi maliit lang ako, and then yung, mas nakikita ko yung sarili ko doon sa TV commercial.
Then, do you mind, ano po yung height niyo, Ma'am?
5'2 to 5'3.
5'2 to 5'3.
Yan, usually ng mga artista po kasi is ganun lang yung height.
I see. Then, ayun, Ma'am, regarding po sa pagmo-model, Ma'am, is this your first time sa major event, Ma'am, sa ganito sa SMX?
And actually, this is our second time. Last is Worldex, last month, and then Conex. I am grateful kasi during my internship, I was able to attend this event.
They, ma'am, nasa World Bex na ganun nakaraan? ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Same brand din, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Power Steel.
Then, and ma'am, any upcoming events na, just in case na meron kayo, confirm.
So far, ngayon wala pa po kasi I'm a graduating student.
Yeah. Then, ano ma'am, any message sa iyong fans or followers, just in case na may makapanood, ma'am?
Ayun, sa family ko and yan sa mga taga-suporta sa akin, maraming salamat and God bless.
Then, any ano ma'am, business na gusto niyong i-plug or social media?
Ayun, so kindly like and follow my business, MLJ Construction, as well as Massive Builders and Massive Blueprinting.
Once again, thank you, Ma'am Justy.
Thank you so much, sir. Nice to meet you.
Hi guys, please like and subscribe to Alex Pangilinan.
Hi everyone, please like and share and subscribe Alexander Pangilinan. Please subscribe Alex Pangilinan's YouTube channel. Hi, please do like, share and subscribe Alex Pangilinan YouTube account.
Please follow and watch Alex Pangilinan YouTube channel.
Hi guys! You can follow, subscribe, and like Alex Pangilinan's YouTube channel. Thank you!
Alex Pangilinan, please like, share and subscribe.
Hello everyone! Please like and subscribe to Alexander Pangilinan YouTube channel. Hi! Please like and share, subscribe Alex Pangilinan YouTube.
Hello mga biyaheros. Kung bitin pa kayo sa aming regular episode, meron tayong mga shorties, meron din tayong bloopers, question and answer, at kung ano-ano pa. Just click, click, click. Click nyo na. Huwag nyo na kayo pinch. Hello everyone! At nasa SMX tayo, day 3 ng Conex.